Welcome to this video session. I am Saravanan. In this video tutorial, we are going to see about the hub, switch and a router. Hub is the basic networking device which can connect systems and printers also. Hub is the layer 1 device. It works based on the layer 1 physical layer information. Switch is the layer 2 device. It works based on the MAC address table constructed by it. It is a data link layer device. A router works based on the IP address details of the other adjacent routers. It constructs a routing table. Based on that routing table, it forwards and reroute the data packets. Hub, the function of the hub is whenever it receives a data packet, the hub will broadcast to each and every port attached to it except the originating port. For example, when this PC need to communicate this PC3, it sends a request. That request will rebroadcast by the hub to switch to this PC and PC3. The actual recipient is the PC3. The PC3 is going to respond for that request. The same request data will also be rebroadcast to switch PC1, PC2 except PC3. The actual communication is between PC1 and PC3, but the unnecessary data packet travel in PC2 and to switch also. So this reduces the performance of the network. Hub is otherwise called as a multi-port repeater. Switch is called as intelligent hub. The intelligence is the ability to read the MAC address of each networking device, and it constructs a table within it, and based on that MAC address table it forward and reroute the data whenever it receives. Say for example, when PC4 need to communicate PC5, the PC4 will send a request. First time it receives the data packet and as like hub, it broadcasts each and every port. When the actual recipient is PC5, it is going to respond for that. When a request sent by PC4, it is going to record the MAC address and the port which is attached it. Same like that, the PC5 will also respond for that. During that time, it reads the MAC address of this PC5 and the port which is attached with it. Further, whenever a communication happens between PC4 and PC5, exactly it reroutes the data packet. So that is the job of the switch. Router, based on the address table, IP address table constructed by it, either by static routing or dynamic routing, it transfers the data packet to different networks. So let us first see this hub. When I send a request to 25.0.0.12 in 25.0.0.12, so PC1 send a data packet. For a response, it send back some data. So 4 packets are sent and 4 packets received in this end. Now let us see this MAC address table. Previously, It read only two MAC address with its table. When I send a request from PC1 and PC3, the data packet received by the switch learn this MAC ID of PC1 and MAC ID of PC3, and both PC1 and PC3 connected with port number 1. So that is the detail of this. In the same way, it construct the MAC address table. Whenever further communication happens, the PC sends exactly through that port to that particular system. So that is the function of the switch. Now let us send a communication ping 25.0.0.1.11, that is from this system to this system, PC4 to PC5. That communication is finished. Let us check this MAC address table. See now, the PC connected, PC4 and PC5 connected with the ports of 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So this is the way it constructs the MAC address table, and based on that it reroutes the data packets. For router, already I have some tutorial on YouTube. Please refer the function of the router by see that tutorial. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Please post your comments.